In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest cumulative update for Windows 11 version 24H2 KB5055523. This April 2025 update brings new features, visual enhancements, performance improvements, and several important fixes that make Windows 11 smoother and more secure. Let's go over what's new, what's been fixed, and what you should check after installing. Starting with the new features, Microsoft continues to expand its AI capabilities with this update. KB5555523 introduces semantic search, which lets you use natural language when searching for files or information on your PC. Instead of typing exact file names, you can search with phrases like, "Find my 2024 project report," or "Show Excel sheets from last week." This smarter search feature is designed to save time and make navigation more intuitive. Another addition is the new emoji button on the taskbar, giving you quick access to the emoji and K-emoji panel. It's a small change, but one that adds convenience for users who frequently communicate online or customize their text. You can disable this button if you prefer to use the shortcut instead. Microsoft also redesigned the Settings About page, which now includes neat information cards that show your CPU, GPU, and memory specs at a glance, making it easier to view your system details without digging through menus. In File Explorer, one long-standing issue has finally been fixed. The three-dot menu at the top of the window no longer opens off-screen when the app is maximized, which improves usability. You may also notice a new ein@pub folder appearing on your system drive after this update. This folder is part of an intentional security change and should not be deleted, as it's tied to internal system features. Now let's move on to the fixes and improvements. This update addresses several authentication-related issues, including a problem that caused errors when using machine password rotation with Credential Guard and Kerberos. It also improves time zone accuracy for specific regions and brings more consistent performance during system restarts and wake-from-sleep scenarios. Overall, KB5055523 focuses on reliability and system stability while continuing to prepare Windows 11 24H2 for broader rollout later this year. However, some users have reported installation problems with this update, such as failed installs or boot loops. While these issues aren't widespread, they can happen on certain hardware configurations or systems with outdated drivers. That's why it's always a good idea to create a system restore point or backup your important files before installing any major update. After installation, check if your device boots normally, File Explorer runs smoothly, and that search features perform as expected. If your system shows any unusual behavior, such as long boot times, missing icons, or driver issues, you can uninstall the update or pause Windows Update temporarily while waiting for a follow-up patch. To install the update manually, go to Settings, Windows Update, click Check for Updates, and if KB5055523 appears, select Download and Install. Make sure your internet connection and power source are stable during the process. That wraps up our look at the Windows 11 24H2 KB5055523 update, a release that continues to refine the experience with smarter AI features, visual improvements, and crucial fixes. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows updates, tutorials, and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.